Good morning, kids. How are you doing today? Our today's lesson is about the future. You know what the future is, right? The future. Something that has not happened yet. Lo que no ha pasado. Tomorrow is the future. Next week is the future. Next month, next year. Dentro de 5 minutos. I mean, anything that has not happened yet. Algo que no ha sucedido. That's the future. So it's very easy to talk in the future with the use of one single word. And this is how it goes. For example, you know what I is, right? You go. You, tú, we, nosotros, they, ellos, he, she, and it. Okay, for example, if I want to say something like, yo dormiré, okay? Tú dormirás. Nosotros dormiremos. Ellos dormirán. Él dormirá. Ella dormirá. Este dormirá. Okay, in English it's very simple because we're going to only use this one word. And the word is will. As easy as that. And I was talking about dormir, right? So I'm going to say will sleep. And that's it. Let me turn this a little bit. Oh, I'm sorry, kids. It's not focusing very well. No. Okay, this is as good as it gets. So, if I want to say yo dormiré, I will, and the verb sleep, which is dormir, right? Tú dormirás, you will sleep. And that's how it goes. Let's change the idea. Let's eat, right? So, I'm just going to say we'll eat. And this is how it goes. For example, my dog is going to jump. Will jump. And it's the same thing as if I say nosotros saltaremos. We will jump. So we only use the word will plus the verb in the original form, in the base form. That's it. So, for example, let's create a sentence in our mind. Let's say that the teacher, la maestra, jugará en clase. Okay, let's bring this sentence to English. Okay? La maestra, the teacher. Now, here comes the word jugará. How do we create this in English? With the simple use of the word will and play. Okay? Will play. En clase. I'm going to bring it down here. In class. That's it. So this is the main idea. Jugará, will play. Now you see how easy this goes? I know. Very, very easy. English is easy. Now, what happens if I want to say this in a negative statement? For example, los niños no estudiarán. Okay, no estudiarán. The kids no estudiarán. Will not. Okay? Will not study. That's it. You see? Will not study. And this will not can go in a contraction. What's a contraction, teacher? I'm going to make these two words one single word. And it's going to be won't. Okay? So the kids won't study. All right, kids? Now, let's make a question about the future. For example, I'm going to ask, ¿estará Santi mañana en la escuela? Okay, I have to go with the will first. The will first, then comes the verb. Oh, I mean, the subject, I'm sorry. Who is the subject? Who's making the action? Santi, right? Now comes the verb. I was saying estar, right? Estará Santi. How do we say estar in English? Yeah, of course, be. Will Santi be? And I was saying en la escuela mañana, right? Will Santi be at school tomorrow? Almost didn't fit. So, will Santi be at school tomorrow? Let's make an easier sentence. I'm going to ask, for example, ¿comerá Neto más tarde? Let's think about this. Okay, we have a sentence in Spanish. How does it go in English? First of all, we have to write will. Then I said comes the subject, right? Who is the subject? The person who makes the action, which is Neto. Then comes the verb in its base form, el verbo en la forma original, which is comer, eat. And then the complementary, which is más tarde. How do we say más tarde in English? Yes, later. And this, kids, is all for today. I hope you don't have any more questions. Remember, if you have any extra questions, you can just let me know, okay? You can write me, you can send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching me. Until the next one, kids. Bye-bye now.